Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the ends and positioning the new yarn. This matters because tension and neat joins depend on it. Once you have 3-4 inches of tail, hold the new color where it will travel. Behind for color work, at the edge for a stripe. Now, make the first stitch by inserting the needle and wrapping both strands together to anchor. This prevents holes. Make sure to maintain the working yarn orientation, so the stitch sits correctly and tension stays, even as you proceed. You now switch colors mid-row, and the trick is in managing floats and twist. For a stripe, simply drop the old color and pick up the new. Twist the two yarns at the join to close any gap. This avoids holes. For stranded color work, carry the unused yarn across the back, keeping floats 3-5 stitches long. If floats exceed that, catch the yarn by twisting around the working yarn. Keep consistent gauge so the fabric lies flat and color contrast stays crisp. You finish by securing tails and tidying the join so the piece looks professional. Once you have worked several rounds in the new color, weave in tails with a yarn needle or stitch them in as you go. This prevents bulk. Then block gently to even tension and let joins relax into the fabric. If a visible hole appears, pick up an extra loop from adjacent stitches or use a ladder stitch to close it. Finally, make sure any carried floats are anchored before final weaving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.